In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails in Lovable. Now, before we dive into the process, prepare yourself for a smooth ride through this tutorial. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring that by the end, you'll feel confident in your ability to send emails directly through your Lovable account. Let's get started. First things first, open your Lovable project. You might already be familiar with this process if you've used Lovable for other features, but if not, don't worry. It's quite straightforward. Simply log into your account using your credentials and navigate to your project dashboard. If you're managing multiple projects, make sure you select the correct one from your list so that you don't accidentally send emails from the wrong project. Once you've successfully opened your project, the next step is to access the necessary tools within Lovable for email management. Look towards the top of your dashboard where you'll find a menu titled Cloud. The Cloud section is where you'll access various online and communication features within Lovable. Hover over Cloud and a drop-down menu will appear, offering several options for you to explore. From this drop-down menu, select Emails. Clicking on this will redirect you to the email section where you can manage everything related to your project's email communication. Here, you will not only be able to compose and send emails, but you can also organize your contacts, view previous messages, and maintain your email templates all in one convenient place. However, there's an important piece of information you need to know before proceeding further. In order to unlock the full range of email capabilities within Lovable, you'll need to ensure that your subscription is up to date. If you're seeing a message prompting you to upgrade your subscription, pay close attention. This is because certain email features are only available with advanced subscription plans. Upgrading your subscription will not only enable you to send emails seamlessly, but will also unlock other premium features that can significantly enhance your experience with Lovable. Upgrading your subscription is an easy process. Within the email section, you should find options to navigate to your account settings or billing details. From there, you'll be able to view the available plans and select the one that best fits your needs. After upgrading, you should have full access to the email functionalities to efficiently manage your project communications. With your upgraded subscription and email tool access, you're now ready to start sending emails directly from your Lovable project. This feature can streamline your workflow and help you keep all correspondence tied neatly to your specific projects. There you have it. Sending emails in Lovable is an efficient and streamlined process, provided you have the correct subscription plan. Thank you for watching, and be sure to stick around for more tutorials and tips on making the most of your Lovable experience.